Here are 5 questions I ask myself before I invest in any cryptocurrency project. I guarantee that this will help you out too, so don't forget to save this post. Number 1. Am I chasing a pump? We don't want to invest in coins that have already been pumped or buy in at prices close to their all-time highs. Number 2. What is the goal of this cryptocurrency project and what problem does it solve? If the problem that the project is trying to solve makes sense to you, then this is generally a good sign. Number 3. Would I be okay holding the coin for at least 5 years in case we end up in a bear market? We need to understand that we need to give these projects time to achieve their goals, and we need to have the endurance to go through a bear market. Number 4. Is the team behind the project experienced? The crypto community is still very small and it's very easy to find out about the team behind the projects. Number 5. What is the sentiment going on around their social platforms? Get into the project's Discord or Telegram channels, as it is here that you'll be able to gauge what the team's core members are talking about. Hit that follow button for more tips and advice on all things crypto.